Hey there! Welcome to CommPeak. In this video, you will learn how to top up your balance to make calls and send messages using CommPeak services. As soon as you have signed up at my.compeak.com, you have two accounts, one for voice calls, and the other one for text messages. You can add credit to each account independently or disable the account you don't need. To add money to any of your accounts, click the plus sign at the top right of any page. In the pop-up window, choose the account you want to top up, voice or SMS. In the next step, choose the payment type, and then select the credit amount. You can also use several methods to pay for CommPeak services. If you want to set up a regular automatic credit refill, you can do it with the credit card payment method. Select the automatic credit refill option. Next, indicate the credit amount, and set the threshold amount for the refill. Then, choose the limit for the number of payments per day. Finally, click the checkout button below. On the Add Credit page, enter the card number, its expiration date, the CVC security code, and the cardholder name. Then, click the button below to confirm the payment, and be redirected to a new page with 3D Secure Flow. That's it. You have successfully topped up your account, and can enjoy using CommPeak's services. Thanks for watching.